Welcome back to Desi Boy Kitchen, guys. Today we're gonna make Punjabi Chole, yeah? Stay tuned to the end of the video where I will be giving a shout out to a viewer. What we got here is green cardamoms, black cardamoms, right? We got some cloves, pomegranate seeds, pinch of carom seeds. They are really good for digestion. And we have got a cinnamon powder, normally a cinnamon stick, but I haven't got a cinnamon stick, so I'm going to use the cinnamon powder. And then I've got broken henna seeds, right? I've got 3 tea bags, and I've got bay leaves and bicarbonate soda, right? Which we're going to only use half a tablespoon, right? Oh, sorry, half a teaspoon. And I've overnight soaked these chickpeas, right? So that's all we've got. I've taken 2 cloths, right? So spices in one, and I'm gonna tie it up so it doesn't go everywhere. All we need is essence out of it, right? That goes in here. And we'll go with tea bags. That goes in here. Our bay leaves, cinnamon powder, should be cinnamon stick, but I haven't got one. Right. What we're gonna take is, if we have 1 bowl of chickpeas, then 1 bowl of water, right? Here goes our water. And we're gonna take our bicarbonate soda. We're gonna put half a spoon, yeah? That goes in. Salt, 1 big spoon, tablespoon. Salt you can add it later if it's not enough salt, right? So what we're gonna do is put our gas on. And just only 4 whistles. 4 whistles. Wow. Amazing aroma. Wow, this makes me so happy. There you go. Just take this out. All your ground spices are out. Here are your tea bags. There you go. I'm going to rinse this. Look at that. Change the color. Stage 2 of making Punjabi Chole now. So stage 1 is boiling, and this is a stage 2. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use ghee, right? We're not gonna use vegetable oil, we're gonna use ghee. Ghee has got a lot of flavors, right? So we're just gonna put 1 big spoon of ghee, yeah? A tablespoon, yeah? Right. So what we're gonna do is we got crushed onions. So we're gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4 spoons, yeah? What we got is we got our usual stuff: crushed garlic, crushed green chilies, crushed ginger. We got our tomatoes, right? And what else we've got here is, this is very important: 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of dhania powder, which is coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of masala, garam masala, yeah? So our onions are sort of half cooked. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our 1 teaspoon, a big one, of garlic, ginger, and let that cook. Our onions are nearly ready. So what we're going to do is our specialized heat. What we always do is simmer our gas, and we are going to do 1 teaspoon of our turmeric. And we always cook, I always told you guys to cook it on the side, you know, so turmeric shouldn't be raw. So within 3 seconds, right, it's cooked. We're gonna mix that up. While the gas is simmed, we're gonna add our spices. And add our tomatoes. Those. I'm gonna add a little bit salt. About half a teaspoon. So salt is you can add at any stage. If you feel that the salt is less. All we're gonna do is we're gonna add our green chilies. A 1 good spoon. Teaspoon. Because if you eat more chilies, yeah, you're more than welcome to add more chilies, yeah? The ghee is getting separated here, look at that. So that means this gravy is done. What we're going to do is, we're going to add our chickpeas. This stage, I'm going to add the water. A bit more water. So as long as the water is the top of all your chickpeas, yeah, and I'm gonna put it in on a slow burner, right at the back. And I'm gonna cook it on a slow heat. Look at that, there's no water left. Look at that, how beautiful it's done. What we're going to do is we're going to add our dhania, coriander, fresh coriander goes in. And we're going to moment of truth. After 10 minutes of resting, we're going to open it up. Let's have a look. Wow, the aroma of fresh coriander hits you so nicely, so beautiful aroma. All the spices, look at that, how thickened it has become. This is what you get in shops and the restaurants. So this is proper Punjabi style chickpeas curry, yeah. So it goes really well with bhaturas, with puri, with kulcha, but today we're going to try with the puri, yeah? Tasting time. What we're taking is, we're taking a couple of puris. Punjabi Chole always goes with puris, yeah? Or a bhature or your kulchas, right? Take some raw onions and a mango pickle is must, right? So we're gonna taste it. Wow, look at the chole, man. How beautiful, how soft it is. Look at that, how soft it is. Yeah. Mmm. So nice, so beautifully made. Today's shout goes to my friend. Sunil Chopra from Leeds, and my friend Chat Singh from Catering. So guys, make sure you like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Desi Boy Kitchen. DM me to tell me that you have liked and subscribed, and I will give you a shout in my next videos. Thank you. Keep on cooking. Love you all.